Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, so let's go ahead and get into it. We will start at the top. The first thing here is we have some characters. These are more like horror Halloween, but especially this one with the new Wednesday coming out this month. It'll be perfect. And you have number 37, which is a Beetlejuice, 38, which is Jack, and then 39, which is Wednesday. Super, super cute. Then on the other side of the spectrum, we have the number 21 Scribblers, which are with the little Santa hat on them, which are super cute. They will come in the normal 6 options, and I am obsessed with them for marking like any holly jolly events. The next thing we have is the 10 new Doodles. Actually, I think there's more than 10. There's a couple more than 10 because I wanted to make sure to get the Christmas ones out. So first thing, you do have a coffee machine, and that is $6.31. $6.32 is a dust, like a sweeper dustpan. Then $6.33 is a sneaker. $6.34 is the like Ariel sheet. $6.35 is the Ariel, and then we did the 3 different skin tone options. Let me know in the comments down below if for the future ones, if this artist does release any, if you want them in the doodle size, which is the doodle, like that, or in the like character size. I think it just kind of depends on like what you'd want to mark them for, because these are obviously a little bit bigger, but you could always trim them. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. But I did them in all 3 skin tone options as well. So you have that. And then $6.38 is the Hanukkah sheet. This is going to look so, so, so cute with Hanukkah honey. $6.39 and $6.40 are the same sheet, but this one is the like traditional colorway, and then we have the pastel colorway. And then same thing here, you have the traditional colorway and the pastel colorway of this sheet. The other one is more baking. This one's just more general for Christmas, and this is the pastel and the traditional. So those will be the new doodles for the week. And then we also have the color of the week, which I have been asking on Facebook. I take like 12 at a time, which is like what, 3 months worth, and asking for what y'all would like to see color-wise, and then I just take the first 12 people to comment, and the person who commented this specified that they thought it would be great in glitter, and I do love this. So it's kind of like a Tiffany teal, I'd say Tiffany teal, that's what I'm going to call it. Blue color, it's number 51, and it is like, it's like a blue-green aqua kind of mixture, and it is in the normal 12 sheet. So you have sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and there is a buy all option. These are available from Wednesday at noon Eastern and through Sunday. The next thing here is a foil bundle, and this is in the shimmer format, which is a very well-loved format, and this is another mixed metal option. This is hollow and sparkly hollow, which is one of my favorites. I do quite like the one that came out last week, which was silver and sparkly hollow, but I still think I have just some kind of love for hollow and sparkly hollow, that it's just literally everything. I think it would look good with all of the kits being released this week. Like perfect. So you have the 6 full boxes and the header overlays, 2 sheets of those. You have the patterned underlays, which are just amazing. You have the newer sheet here with the icons and the scripts, and then you have this here. It's just like, it's like just really good. It's just so stinking good. And this is on special pricing for Wednesday through Sunday. So I definitely pick up multiples of these because they can go with so much. And I think literally all the kits this week, they would look so good with. So first thing I want to show y'all is I have a reformat, and this, I didn't actually like prep very many of these because I know this is very, very niche. I love Jersey Shore, but I know a lot of you do too. And I think like a month ago, I filmed all of my planner archives, and I think you've seen 2 of them at this point, but you'll see the rest of them through this year. I'm going to do a lot of them for Planmas, but I saw this spread and I was like, oh my gosh, this spread, these colors are everything. And I just love Jersey Shore so much. It's just nostalgia for me. I still watch Jersey Shore Family Vacation, and I just love everything about Jersey Shore. So I just figured I needed this as a reformat, and I was just going to actually reformat it for myself, but I was like, might as well put it in the shop. I'm sure there is somebody out there who also wants it. Plus, like, when it comes to reformats, I know not everybody was around when I first released it, and maybe this is like something that's on your list of things that you've wished that you were able to pick up. So this was, I think, art from like 2018, and I just still think it's so, so good. And I just love Jersey Shore. I love these colors, the pinks, the gray, and the blue. And then you have like kind of like the pop of yellow throughout. Ronnie, because he doesn't not really like in it that much anymore. Actually, is he coming back next season? I don't remember. And then you have the extra boxes here, which have the GTL hairspray, the JWoww like tanning lotion, the duck phone, a solo cup, the pasta. Ugh, just love, love, love Jersey Shore. Let me know if you do as well in the comments down below. I just feel like it's everything. Even Nick watches Jersey Shore and loves it. So it will also come in a mini kit. And then you have the ombre, the functional, the label, the extra color if you want to add that on to bring in that poppy yellow, which I for sure will. And then the Doodles. I'm for sure just going to use this as like a whatever summer kit, because even like beyond the Jersey Shore part, like the colors of this are fantastic. And it's going to make a beautiful, beautiful spread. So very excited for this one. Then we have a new art. Well, this is kind of like, it's not a reformat, but it's like a recolor. So I don't remember what I was doing. Maybe I was like laying down the spread for this, but I texted Jess and I was like, you know, what would be fire is if you came out with Golden Woods, but a winter version. And she was like, wait, but yes. So then whenever she decided to do it, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And these colors are so good. The foil possibilities are literally endless with this one. Like you could do like there's like a light blue. I think it came in a twinkle before. I think any of the like snowflakes would look good with this. Any like purple, a dark blue, a light pink, a teal, that like hollow, a silver, a matte silver, a like the Planet Hannah bundle, the one with the snowflakes and the bows, that would look really cute with this, but also butterflies would look really cute with this, or like I said, snow, twinkle, shimmer, like all of the everything would look good with this, TBH, all of it. So I just am obsessed with it. I love the new fashion options that were added in here, and it's just such a good kit. And these colors, like it's so rich and beautiful and perfect for January. And I already used Golden Woods in my planner, but one, it's going to be in a different planner because it's in my 2023 planner, because I'll probably use this in January or even March. Be really pretty. And I love like the blue glow to the ring. But I think with the color change, the fashion option change, and then I'm obviously going to do like different foil because I'm not going to use gold with it, for being both mini and ultimate. I think this spread is going to be everything. Or if you're like, I really, really like it, but I don't like my art to be that close together, because if you just use Golden Woods for like Rings of Power, you could totally just save this for like November next year or like January the next year. So you could spread them out a little bit, but personally, I don't care. The mini kit, I will use a kit over and over and over again. I am just like, all the things. So then you have add-ons. You have the Doodles, you have the functional, you have, let's save the fashion for last. You have the label, and then the ombre, and then the fashion options, which are literally everything. Like if anything, these, like, just buy it for the fashion options. I actually have in my Amazon wish list like elf ears, because I really have like this vision of next year going to the Renaissance Fair, because I just think that's so fun to get dressed up and do. So the normal 6 fam options in here, just obsessed. I love the blonde. It's so good. Especially just this. It's just like very elven. So love that. And then last but not least, I have a new exclusive art. And basically the idea of this was, I was like, I don't know what I'm going to use for Avery's birthday. Kirsten was like, she would just want a Minecraft birthday, but we've seen and done that too many times. I think she might still be having a Minecraft birthday. Avery requested that I use the same wrapping paper that I use for Bennett. So who knows with these kids. But she was like, it'd be cute is a space birthday. And I was like, I don't really like know how I do that. But then I was looking on Pinterest and I was like, wow, there's like a lot of really cool inspo, like colors and things like that. And I thought this was a really cute, like anybody kind of party. Like I feel like even like adults, like just take out something like the kid boxes, like the like playhouse thing and the crafts, but otherwise like just super cute. And another one that whenever picking the colors, like, I mean, I feel like very similar to these colors, but like a little different. These are a little bit brighter and less like cold. These are more like fun, crazy, hollow colors. This one, the foil, again, you could use so many different foil colors, but it's a perfect one, I think, to have on hand for any birthday that kind of pops up that you think it would look good with. But I had it in mind, I had it in mind because Kirsten was like, oh, like a space theme, but I'm probably still gonna use Candyland for Avery's birthday because girl loves candy. So Super cute, but I could also save this for a future Reagan birthday, a future Bennett birthday, a future Avery, whatever, Brian, whoever. And I just like these colors are everything and so cute. And I love the patterns. And then you have the faux sparkle throughout that has like kind of like just like a little bit of every color that is in the kit in it. It's just so, so, so pretty. I love like a celestial kit. Perfect with like stars, but also with shimmer would be really cute. Confetti, twinkle, any of the things would look really good with this. And then you have the extra box there, 15mm strip. And then the freebie and the ultimate mini is another double box scene of a more like kind of like a bedroom, which is super cute. You have like kind of like bunks almost, which I just think is so fun. So that is exclusive art, so you won't be able to find it anywhere else. And I just think it's a super cute little birthday kit to have on hand, or maybe you know somebody who would go perfect for this next upcoming year. So that is the, oh, I didn't even say it's called Space Party. So there is the doodle if you want to add it on. There is the functional as well as the label and the ombre. And then there is fam options. They are just 2 tall kiddos. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. I am so excited for this lineup, especially with like the winter-esque colors kind of coming through. And I have been waiting to release this Jersey Shore kit, re-release it to put it in my lineup because, like I said, I think there was only like 3 things that I like really noted when going through my planners, and that was this kit, Wonderful, which I reformatted, and then also there was like this pink foil that I used that I was like, I need to figure out what color number that was because it was epic, but it was like a twinkle and it was like a sparkly pink and not hot pink. It was like a sparkly, like almost like a sparkly pink. There's no other way to explain it, but I'm going to try and figure out what color number it was so I can bring it back in maybe twinkle or something like that when I reformat that, which is coming soon. I'm also reformatting stars, I think. Just have to figure out if I want to do bows or stars. So I think I'm going to do bows because I feel like I've heard some good arguments on why to do bows. But that is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.